Here we go with our pull workout. First exercise is deadlifts, yes, which targets your overall back and core. It's a compound lift, targets more than 3 muscle group. So as mentioned, follow the reps and sets accordingly. Make sure your form is right and you concentrate on mind muscle connection. This is a complete hypertrophy based workout, and make sure you track your weights and progressively overload every week. Exercise number 2 is lat pull downs. Yes, wide grip lat pull downs, which targets your lats. Important thing is that you need to contract your muscle. Yes, either be mind muscle connection बहुत important है. All the way up and all the way down, slow and steady. Make sure your form is exactly executed. Exercise number 3 for your back, the second vertical pull, close grip lat pull down, again targeting your lats with a different angle. Same goes here, track your weights, progressively overload every week. Make sure your form is right so that you can feel your lats whenever you pull the weight and slowly let it go. Yes, 2 vertical movements are done. Next we move on to horizontal movements. First horizontal movement is close grip rows. It targets your middle back and also lower lats. Even here full range of motion is very important. Consider you're hitting someone with your elbows. हाँ, आपके elbows use करके मान लो आप किसी को मार रहे हो आपके पीछे. Yes, this will help you generate a very good mind muscle connection. Accordingly weights भी choose करना. Make sure your form is exactly right. Going ahead, second horizontal movement is wide grip rows. You can use cables or also you can use any other machine. This targets your middle back, and even here make sure you're imagining that or you're feeling it as if you are hitting someone with your elbows. This will again help you bring in a very good mind muscle connection. Slow and steady, and make sure you track your weights and get stronger. Moving on to bicep workout. Very important exercise, bicep curls. Everyone loves this workout, but a twist is that you need to perform drop sets. For example, say you're taking 15 kgs and then you have to drop it to 12.5 and 10. Perform triple drop set with controlled form. Yes. Next exercise, one more important bicep exercise, preacher curls. You can use any machine or free weights or even cables. I prefer machine and cables because it keeps constant tension on my biceps. Always concentrate on the eccentric. Yes, slow and steady, and you are good to go. Here is our complete pull workout. Here we start off with our leg workouts. Don't skip your leg days. First exercise is again a compound lift, squats. Make sure you go deep and then come up, and again squeeze your glutes on top. This targets your quads, your hamstrings, your overall lower body and also core. And one more important thing, don't do half reps. It's okay if your weight is less, but make sure there is full range of motion. Squats are one of the best exercises for your lower body. In case you have an injury and you can't perform this, you can start off with leg press, no problem, but make sure you include squats so that you build your lower body. Again, perform it accordingly, reps and sets, and track your weights. Next exercise, as I told you, leg press. This also targets your hams and quads. Yes, 3 sets of 15 reps. Every set, make sure you increase the weight and track the weight so that every week you can progressively overload and get stronger. Even here, I have seen people performing half reps. Please don't do that. Full range of motion is very important. It's okay if your weights are less, but make sure full range of motion is achieved. Only then you will be able to stimulate your muscle. Next, moving on, hamstring curls. Yes, here we are only performing one hamstring movement, core hamstring movement. That is why we are performing 5 sets of 12 reps. Increase weight every set and make sure you track it. Make sure it is slow and controlled. Next, leg extension. Yes, one of the most important isolation movement for your legs. 3 sets of 20 reps, considerably high rep range because I like to feel my quads. Yes, it gives that constant tension and it also helps in building your quads. Make sure you perform it slow and steady. Again, full range of motion. Next exercise, calf builder. Yes, there are a lot of people who skip calves. Even I was one of them, but recently I've started 4 sets, 15 reps. Again, drop set, triple drop. I lower my weight every set. Yes, 4 into 3, that is around 12 sets if you consider the drop sets. Slow and steady. Mind muscle connection is very, very important. That's it for our complete leg workout. Here we go with our push workout, chest, shoulder and triceps. Major movement here, bench press, 4 sets of 10 repetitions. Make sure your form is right, your core is tight, brace and push the weight. You need to add in weights every set and progressively overload. Again, a reminder, track your weights so that you can progressively overload every week and get stronger. You can also use Smith machine, but I would prefer free weights for bench press. Next exercise is incline dumbbell press for targeting your upper chest. I prioritize my upper chest because I feel it gives me an aesthetic look. That is why the volume is higher, 5 sets of 12 repetitions. Slow and steady, targeting your upper chest, and also you can perform unilateral movements if you feel your particular chest is smaller than the other. It is based on your preferences. Yes, going ahead, first isolation exercise is high to low cable flies targeting your lower chest. आपको ध्यान में रखना है, eccentric स्लोली पीछे लेके जाना है और आगे पूरा स्क्वीज करना है. Yes, only then the mind muscle connection will be created. Again, track your weights, follow the repetitions. Next exercise, low to high cable flies. One of the best exercise to build your upper chest. My favorite, इसलिए मैं वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा करता हूँ, 5 सेट लगाता हूँ. Superb exercise. Do include it in your training. Slow and steady. Squeeze your chest on top. Next we move on to shoulders. Shoulder press, dumbbell shoulder press. आप बारबेल भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, मैं डम्बल यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. 4 सेट 15 repetitions. Again, you have to increase the weight every set and track your weights. Next, my favorite shoulder exercise, that is lateral raises. 5 सेट लगाता हूँ 15 reps का. Yes, this is the builder for your delts. Yes, राउंड लुकिंग delts चाहिए तो ये एक्सरसाइज ज़रूर इंक्लूड करना. 5 sets. Next, talking about rear delts, many people miss on training rear delts. Only this will give you that 3D look on your shoulders, so make sure you add in this to your training. Slow and steady. Final exercise of our push workout, tricep push down. Yes, 5 sets, 15 reps. At times I go until failure. I'm doing only one exercise because shoulder press or bench press से already triceps train हुआ है, and this is more than enough. Make sure you follow the workout, track your weights and progressively overload. Thanks for watching. बहुत सारा प्यार मेरे तरफ से. प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Until then, take care.